Well, today we have 3 different methods to be able to recover your device. If it has the screen lock or the forgotten Gmail account. As we can see here on our device, it appears that accessibility. But this does not mean that our device is not locked. Today we are going to be able to recover our device. We are not going to cut this video tutorial so that you can see that it does have a screen lock and also has the forgotten Gmail account. What are we going to do to be able to recover our device? Well, in order to recover it, we are going to do the following. Let's watch the video tutorial step by step until the end. This would be the first method. As we had said from the beginning of the video, we are going to use 3 methods. Totally without a PC on our Samsung device to be able to recover it. Let's go. We have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network to be able to do this same process. Let's connect, and also what we are going to do is the following. Well, let's wait first. Let's wait for it to appear that our device has what that screen lock is. First of all, the other devices here I have them. Here we have this other model. Let's search and place it here next to it. We are going to use 3 methods on 3 totally different devices. Here we have the second device. As we can see in the second device, it does not have accessibility. But it is totally blocked. Here we have the third device. This would be the third. We are going to leave it here since we have nowhere to locate it. But as we can see in this other device, it also has what is the screen lock. We are going to, so that you can see, we are going to configure both at the same time. Let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. Let's do these 2 first, these 2 methods. Then we'll start what is the third method. We'll leave these 2 methods here and 2 methods. We'll click here where it says do not copy. We click where it says do not copy. We're going to click here. We're going to click where it says use my Google account. We're going to use my Google account. Here we're also going to click where it says use my Google account, and it would take us directly to this section. We're going to click use my Google account. As we can see, we have not stopped our device. Here they are. As you can see, each one is locked with a screen lock. It also asks what is the forgotten Gmail account. What we are going to do, well, let's return what it is to the beginning, and we are going to do the following. Well, this would be the first one. We are going to use this. We are going to do the first method. As we can see, we have already gone to where the account is blocked with a code. With a PIN code, it is also blocked with the Gmail account. What we are going to do is the following. We are going to go to where the Wi-Fi networks. It seems that our device is a little slow. Here the process works here. As we returned, we already did the tour. We were explaining it. Now what are we going to do? Let's disconnect the Wi-Fi networks. We'll click here where it says forget, ready. What are we going to do now? Let's look for another device. Another device, and what do we and we're going to share the internet. We're going to share the internet with another device. Let's wait for it to come out. Here it came out. As you can see, we were connected to the first one. Let's share it. Now that we've shared it. But I wrote here. We connect them. Now, this is what's going to happen. We're going to share the internet from our phone. We can use any phone. We click on share. Now that it's shared, we're going to click next. The process is here. Now, the process is here. Your device will show you this option that appears here where it says, "Do not copy in us," and as we can see here we are connected to the Wi-Fi networks. What do you have to do? Do not have any sinker entered in our phone. We have to remove SIM card. If it has any SIM card we remove it completely. Well, now I'm going to disconnect the Wi-Fi network from my phone. Let's disconnect it, no need to show it to you. We just disconnect it to make this video tutorial longer. We can already see that it no longer has what is this lock of this one does not have the Wi-Fi networks up there. Now what we're going to do is click where it says, "Do not copy." We click here where it says "Do not copy." We're going to wait. We click again, "Do not copy." Do not copy. We're going to click several times. Do not copy, and it takes us here to Google Services. We're fine. We click here where it says "See more." See more. See more. We're going to click "See more" several times. Now here we're not going to do anything. We're going to click here where it says "Skip." We click on "Skip." Now it would take us to this section. Now we're going to click here on "Next." We click here on "Skip" again. We click on "Next." Here we're going to click on "Finish." We wait for it to finish. It's already finished, as you can see. You can see this device has been recovered in a very easy and simple way. Now we're going to move on to method number 2, which would be this device, and we have method number 3 here. We're going to leave method number 3 here. We're not going to cut anything either. We're not going to omit anything. We're not going to cut what this video tutorial is. We're going to do it totally directly. What are we going to do, as we already gave you the tour to where it was what the screen lock is also what the Gmail account is. Well, we're going to do it again so you can see that it's still locked, and don't say no that it's not. Locked phone as you can see this some devices like the first method that we did, there are some that do have what it is that you get accessibility, but they are still locked, and there are other phones when it doesn't show you. When it doesn't show you accessibility and you do the recovery process, then it does show you. And what are we going to do? We're going to give it here the little nut that appears here of the F networks. We're going to give it here where it says QR code lie this no this one. We're going to give it, we're going to return it here, we're going to give it here several times with the finger. We give it several times and it takes us to this section. Now we give it back. Now here we give it here where it says are all the networks, add a new network, and now yes. We give the QR code that appears here, we give it here to gallery, then being here gallery we are going to give the 3 dots. We are going to give here to any of these 2 options that appear here. We hold it, we are going to hold it. Now we are going to give it here where it says permission. Then here in permission we are going to give it where it says storage. Then where it says see all the permissions of the applications. Here what are we going to do? We are going to give the magnifying glass and we are going to write Chrome. We delete, we click on Google Chrome. We give it now where it says here open. We open application from Google Chrome, we open it. We are going to give it here where it says no thanks, and then here we are going to write our official page that is called Davidcell, as it sounds, device L with DL at the end, and we are going to go what is our official page that appears here. Exit Android TV up here. You are going to click Android TV. Here we go. We are going to click here. Here we are going to be able to find what this tool is. We are going to give it until the last options, give it until the last options, and you are going to find this option that says Apps Deviceal. We are going to click on that official page. Then that we click here. Here we are going to have several methods. Here we are going to have several methods to be able to recover some other devices, and we are going to continue going down, and we are going to find the next option. We are going to go down, The internet is a little slow. It depends on the internet speed, it is a little slow today. We are going to continue going down, we are going to go down and we are going to find. The next tool would be a little green nut, we are going to look for a little nut. Two little nuts sorry in green that says direct access, it would be est. We are going to click on shortcut, it would take us to another section. Here we will continue going down and we will find this the same shortcut. Here we are going to give it shortcut and now it would take us directly to the application. We click here, we click on add, we will wait for it to load. Here we are going to click on install and we are going to install. Here it would ask us what a Samsung account is. We have to have a Samsung account. Yes, if you don't have one you have to go to Samsung to code and create a new Samsung account. Then once you create it, if you don't have one, create it and then come back here. Here I am going to pause the video to be able to add what my data is. What is the email and the password? Okay, here we add what was the email. Now the application will be installed. We are going to wait a few seconds until it installs completely. This process is always a little long, you have to be a little patient. What we are going to do here is click where it says open. We are going to click where it says open. Here at the bottom we go where it says see application system. Now we're going to go down and we're going to look for Google Play services. Here it will appear. As you can see here we have these three dots. We're going to click where it says see application information. Here it gives us the option to be able to disable it. As you can see it already gave us the option to disable that application. We go back right here, we go look for the activity option. Activity, we're going to select the one that says Activity Manager. We're going to click here on Install Application. We're going to click on Install. After it's completely installed, we're also going to open what that application is. We're going to open it. Once we open it, here we're going to look for the option for this Android configuration that appears here. It will be first Android configuration. We click on it up there and we're going to select the option that says Predef or a wizard. The option that says a wizard is the one we're going to select. We're going to click on it. Starts the screen. Now what we're going to do is press the power button, volume down button at the same time, until our phone can restart. As you can see it is already restarting here. We are going to wait a few seconds until it restarts completely, and then show you to see if it is already with the forgotten Google Gmail account. If not, we are going to do the following. We are going to wait a few seconds. That is why we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step. This would be method number 2. Now we are missing method number 3. We are going to finish that. Here we have our device, our third method. We have it here to one side to be able to start what is method number 3. Well, we are going to lower the notifications here and we are going to click here on the little nut. We will see if it lets us, but if this error persists, then what we are going to do is the following. We are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time, and when it turns off, we release the volume down button and hold the volume up button. We are going to hold it when it shows the logo here. We are going to wait for it to restart. Now it will show the logo again. We release what is the power button, selecting the volume up, nothing more. We're going to hold the power button, We release the power button while holding the volume up button to be able to enter what is our recovery mode. When we enter recovery mode, we're going to go down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Here we're going to click on it, then we click on where it says Factory Data Reset. We're going to click on it. Here you'll see what these layers are. Now when all this comes out, we're going to go and click where it says Reboot System No. This is so that our device can restart. Here this is not over yet. Now it appears as if our device had not done anything. But we are going to skip that Google account. We are going to skip it. How are we going to skip it? Well, watching the video tutorial step by step. I am going to pause what is the video, since when we reset what is a device, it always usually takes 3 to 4 minutes, and well, it has already restarted what was our device. As you can see that from the beginning of the video it is the same. Apparently it is the same. It seems that the account had not been deleted. But the account was deleted. How are we going to realize? We are going to click here. Yes or yes, we have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. We are going to connect to the Wi-Fi network. We are going to click Next. We are going to wait until it starts. When it starts completely, wait here. Right now we would get an option here that says Do Not Copy. When that option appears where it says Do Not Copy, we would almost be to complete our process on our device to start the third method. The third method also, this one is not that complicated. It is a little simpler. Let's wait. I'm going to pause what is the video for a few seconds, since this process here to see if it usually takes more than 2 minutes. Well, here we are almost. Here it would take us to this section. Now we will click here where it says Skip. We click here on Skip. Now it goes. We will click where it says No. And it would send us back to the same place. But do not worry, if it sends us to the same place, we will click on Skip again. We click on Skip. We click on Skip. Now yes, we will wait. Click again. We will wait and it would take us to what is Google Services. We click here where it says See More. We click Accept. We click here on Skip. We hit Jump again. Okay. We're almost ready to start method number 3. Let's wait a few seconds. Here we're going to hit Jump again. We hit Next. Here we're going to click where it says Finish. That easy and simple, we've recovered our device. Now we're going to go with method number 3. In method number 3 we have this new other phone. But this phone of ours has a screen lock as well. Here we're going to do 2 things with a single click, and how we're going to do it, well, let's watch the video tutorial step by step. To complete our process would be to press the power button, volume down button. We touch the screen here. We're going to touch the screen, and when our phone restarts we release the down button holding the volume up button. We're going to hold it, don't worry. We're going to wait for it to show the logo. When it shows the logo here, what we're going to do is release the power button, getting the volume up button. We're going to leave it here. Here we go to this menu. The menu where it says Wipe Cache Partition. We're going to click here. We click Yes. We say yes. Then we click here again where it says Partition for the second time. We are going to say yes, second time. Now we are going to do it for the third time. We give it again. Ready. Now we give it here where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. We give it here where it says Restore Factory Settings. We leave it like that, and now again we give it where it says Reboot System. We do not. Click here and now our device is going to restart. What are we going to do? We are going to wait for our device to restart. When it restarts completely, we will be able to configure it. I am going to pause what is the video tutorial, since this process always usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now we are going to give it here where it says Start. Let's click it. Let's click Accept here, Add. We'll go to where the Wi-Fi networks are to be able to complete this process. Let's wait here. We go here where it says Manual, we'll click Manual. Now what we're going to do is remove the in-care S that we have, and we're going to click here on Skip. We click on Skip, we're going to click on Skip. Now we click on Next. We click on Next, we click on Next and More, Accept. We click Accept, we click here on Skip. We click on Skip. We're going to wait, we click. Here on Next, we're going to put it in black here, we click on Next. We wait a few seconds. Well, we click here on Next. Here we're going to click where it says Finish. We click on Finish, and so we have recovered what is our device in a very easy and very simple way. As you can see, sometimes we have some errors left. What are we going to do? We are going to go to what is settings about the phone, and we are going to reset it. When it is reset, what we are going to do is be able to configure it.